Okay, so let's take a look at example here. So in this problem right here, the first thing you want to do is you want to identify what segments you're dealing with. And we are dealing with two chords. So this is our two chords example. So remember, for the two chords, you simply multiply the two parts together. So x is on the same chord as 10. So we'll do 10 times x. Sorry about that, equals. And then the 8 and 15 are on the other chord. 8 times 15. Let's go ahead and multiply 8 times 15. So 8 times 15, I believe, is 120. Yep. And then you'll simply divide by 10 to get x by itself. And 120 divided by 10 is just 12. And 12 is the other part. And that should be the answer. There we go, pretty basic. All right, next problem here. Okay, so let's take a look at this situation here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now again, we're going to find x. So again, identify what segments you're dealing with here. And in this picture, I believe I'm dealing with two secants. So I have two secants. So remember, secants are handled part times whole. So in this case, this is the whole. That would be x plus 6. Be aware. In this case, this is the whole. That'd be 52 plus 2 is 54, right? So that's the whole. So for this top secant, I always like to put the outer part first. So 6 times x plus 6. So that's that secant. And then put this outer part first, 2 times 54. It's very easy not to add the 2 and 52 together. Don't forget to do that, okay? So now I'm going to distribute the 6 on this side. So we got 6x plus 36 equals, on the right side, what am I distributing for? Just multiply. That's silly. 2 times 54 is 108. Subtract your 36. 6x equals, and this is 72, and divide by 6, and x is 12. And there we go. And that's the value of x. Cool. All right, and then we'll do one more problem here. Okay, so now, again, identify what's involved. I see a secant and a tangent. All right, so it's a secant tangent situation. Secant tangent. Okay, so again, secant, remember, it's part times whole, so outer part times whole. The whole length of that is 10 plus 8, which is 18. So we're going to do 8 times 18, part times whole, equals, and then the tangent you just square. So when I do 8 times 18, I get 144, which is a nice number, because to get x, I need to take the square root now. And the square root of 144 is 12. Make sure you follow the directions, whether it causes rounding or simplest radical form. And there you go, there's 12.